Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has categorized NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.9. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 25.11%. This equates to an average loss of -1.79% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides at the lower end of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, which often signals a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $3.13 be breached, it would initially suggest an accelerated decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of 5.8% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between a loss of 10.11% and a gain of 46.67%. Examining the longer term, our analysis for the next 12 months predicts a projected change of -6.02%. According to our estimates, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 10.13% to an increase of 99.93% over the coming year. This would translate to a future price range of approximately $2.95 to $6.56. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for NIO. The NIO stock price experienced a decline of 0.91% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025. The price fell from $3.31 to $3.28. Throughout that trading day, the stock showed a fluctuation of 7.72%, with a low of $3.24 and a high of $3.49. Notably, the price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is down by 17.59% during this time. The trading volume also dropped on the last day, decreasing by 4 million shares, which can be seen as a favorable indicator since volume tends to align with stock movement. On that day, a total of 73 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $238,860,000. In the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $7.71 and a lowest price of $3.02. Currently, the price stands 57.46% or $4.43 below the 52-week high and 95.10% or $63.71 below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO's recent struggles continue amidst a tumultuous market influenced by tariff-related chaos. The company has reported improvements in vehicle margins. However, these gains have not translated into stock price resilience as shares have dropped for 4 consecutive weeks, nearing their all-time low of $1.12. This highlights investor concerns regarding NIO's inability to refresh its vehicle lineup and maintain revenue growth without heavily relying on price cuts. In addition, the electric vehicle industry faces significant pressure from ongoing US-China trade tensions, which have diminished global market confidence. While NIO stock remains somewhat resilient, uncertainty surrounding potential tariff escalations creates a challenging environment for growth. Moreover, intriguing developments are emerging, such as the completion of a substantial share offering aimed at enhancing the company's capital position. At the same time, NIO may see strategic changes on the horizon, as CATL, a major player in the battery market, is reportedly in talks to acquire a controlling stake in NIO's battery swapping unit. In the short term, these challenges could keep NIO's stock under pressure, potentially leading to further declines. However, if partnerships and operational improvements take shape, there could be a positive turnaround in the longer term. Investors should remain cautious but attentive to these evolving strategies, which could ultimately influence NIO's recovery trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was also reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was further reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts evaluate the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified from NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 4.46%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the short-term development. The NIO stock currently shows sell signals from both the short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $3.44 and $4.29. A breakout above any of these points will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. The trading volume declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically should align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.14, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 250 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which is approximately 7.72%. For the previous week, the stock's average daily volatility was 10.84%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, Consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 13 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.46. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to think about for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.14. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Incorporated conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators and is currently in a broad and declining trend, leading us to anticipate continued weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 11th of April, we expect NIO to open higher by approximately 5.67 cents, starting at $3.34. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from everyone here at Stock Invest.